What's this? Look.
Doesn't care.
So remember everything we said about today's plans and what we're gonna do?
Yeah, I remember that.
None of this was on our list.
1 week later.
Today we are working on our updated address sign. The one that we have is lacking in some style and personality. And we are also going to be working on the post for our new ring light. Let's go.
We're taking these posts. Originally, we were gonna put one on the back with the camera on it, and then the other one out front. However, these guys are really short, so one of them being out front probably wouldn't.
No, it's like a foot and a half shorter than the one that we have now.
Right.
So we decided we'll use the 2 posts for one project for our updated address sign.
Posts on either side. We're gonna cut that down to size and then put our numbers on there that we got at Lowe's. They're pretty cool numbers because they're like levitating numbers, right?
Floating.
Floating.
That's
Levitating, floating, same
calling
thing.
it.
The stain we decided to go with is our Early American by Midwax. All right, so the first thing we did was stain the posts, which they look pretty. We're gonna stain the rest of this, but first we're gonna cut it to size and then stain it, because that's probably the best option.
Do you want to get the numbers out so we can see them and make sure that we have...
Let's do that downstairs.
Yeah?
And now we're downstairs. And we're in the basement. And we're gonna cut some shit.
You are, I'm not.
All right, first we gotta measure. Tape measure, pencil, sharpener. Let's get to business. So this is what we're doing. We cut this board into 2 feet, and it just so happens that it was 4 feet to begin with, so we cut it in half.
It's a little off.
It's a little off.
I mean, it's not... Do you think you could cut that off?
What? This?
That, like a little
sliver? All right, so how big do you want it to be? Like
Well,
a foot, 8 inches?
The only, like when you use that, obviously it's going to chew up a little bit more space, right?
A little bit. All right, back to cutting.
That was more than a bit.
How much did you want me to take off?
Like, that much.
Oh, well, what's the... We could have sanded that.
That's what I meant. And I said...
You said cut it.
I said you could cut it.
Bloopers. Well, I mean, that's not a terrible size either, right?
No.
Plus now we have this.
What?
I don't know.
Okay.
We got our pieces. Now, the issue is the screws for this, if they're gonna be identical on both sides, are too long. So what we're gonna have to do, which actually we might be able to use these, is create some separation between the two, like this. Something like that.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, first piece going down. Do we have paper towels down here? Yeah.
Need some?
I'm probably going to. We got these mounted on. Once that dries up, we're going to do the other side onto this board, which is going to create a gap in the middle and some thickness to the wood. So we're realizing our original plan isn't really going to work. So what we're going to do, instead of doing 4 sides to the frame. We're just gonna do top and bottom. And then, you know what? That's not gonna work either.
Why?
Because look how thin this is, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go through like that. Unless we glue them to the, I mean, we could try it, but once we try it.
You know what? I think when we have it all together
Yeah.
and we try to do it, if it's not gonna work, we'll figure something out that will work.
So right now I'm cutting it to size, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But this is the joys of doing DIY projects, figuring shit out.
Just about. Almost. This looks so
there's a reason why we have these
bad.
mattress frames here. If you click the video right here, you'll see why. What do you think?
Your dad's calling you.
All right, and we'll be back. All right, and we're back. That was a long phone call. Okay, so this should definitely be dry. Those aren't on yet.
No.
But what we're gonna do, I think, is we're gonna try to attach the top frame, and then we're gonna stain, or should we stain first?
You know what? Let's stain the frame first so that we don't get any black stain on this.
Oh, that's right. They're different stains.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's stain them and then put them together.
Cool.
Deal?
Deal.
Thank you.
Before you do that, should I cut it?
Yeah.
So we got that drying. Now it's time to connect everything. 21 inches divided by 2 would be 10.5. So 10 and a half. Down the middle. See that?
Screw then.
And then
It's gonna stay in there.
should. Oh yeah. That's staying.
Other one looks like.
15 3/4. Okay.
Do you want to put a little bit of wood glue in there?
Oh shit. Let's see. Yeah, we can put it on the back side.
What's wrong?
I want to see where we have these. Alright, a little bit more than an inch. Like an inch and a quarter. Okay. So, shit. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, these are pretty snug in there. All right. What do you think? Cool.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah?
Super cute, yeah.
This is what it's going to look like on either side. Not too bad, right? All right. All right, so unfortunately, my camera ran out of space because I forgot to delete all the footage from Lancaster. And our last video, Zimmerman Farm. You missed quite a bit. This is what it looks like all finished.
Well,
Almost all finished. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think?
I really like it. I'm excited.
Yeah. Now we have the task of attaching this to the posts. So wish us luck. Would you make this? Comment down below if you're gonna do it and let us see it. Oh,
What?
we might have to repaint these black. I'm happy with it.
I love it.
Yeah?
I'm excited. Yeah, I think it's gonna look very nice
Cool.
at the end of the driveway.
Cool.
So Abby pooped in the house while we were downstairs working on our sign. So she gets the shithead hat. She fucking hates it so much.
Help me.
Later, in the void.
Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna put the sign up today?
Yeah, can I finish doing this though? I don't think I've ever cleaned these screens
Well, this one looks good.
since.
So this is our old sign. It's kind of windy right now, so you might not be able to hear us. This is our old sign. Let's go wide. That's how we have it on the front road. Now, this is gonna be our new sign.
It's pretty.
She get pretty. Out with the old. We're gonna use this post for,
That's pretty tall.
it is pretty tall. We might use this post for the Ring camera in the backyard.
Yeah.
Next step, getting dirt.
Yeah.
Did you just break that?
Yeah, I'm so strong.
Strong. All right, so it turns out we don't have any dirt, so we're just gonna use a bunch of mulch, which we have left over from doing our yard. Kind of looks like poop now, though.
It does. Well, these plants aren't helping, they're dying. It looks really pretty.
It does.
I like it.
So the fourth bag we had, we didn't realize that
It's old.
it's all old and decomposing. Now it looks like this. We can make it work.
Hey guys, if you really like that video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the algorithm. Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. We have more videos and projects coming your way.